Hey YouTube, back again for another video for the 2015 Hyundai Genesis Sedan. Today we're going to change out the cabin air filter. This air filter is from EcoGuard. Got it off of Amazon for like $13. This is the actual part number right there. I'm not sponsored by EcoGuard, it's just something I picked off of Amazon. So let's head out to the car and get this install over with. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is obviously open up the glove box. And you're going to see this little hook right here. You're going to want to unhook this piece. That's the first thing, get that out of there. Okay, then on each side, you're going to see two knobs. One on that side, one on that side. And you're just going to turn them. And the other one's already out. And then once this comes out, this whole assembly just drops straight down. And right there is the housing of the cabin air filter. So what you want to do is pinch here, and then this door opens up. And unfortunately, this was inserted wrong because these arrows should be pointed down. So you want to take the old one out, which, as you can see, it's a little dirty. It's not as bad as those I've seen. So we're going to discard that. We're going to grab the new one. And as you can see, it says airflow down. And that's how you want to insert it. So you just stick it right back in here, with the arrow pointing down. It fits perfectly. Then you want to put the cover. You'll hear a little click. It's on. Now you just do the steps in reverse. You're going to lift up here. You're going to hook on your little clip again, so it holds it up. And then you're going to insert your two knobs and twist. The other one on this side and twist. And that's it. You're all done. So very easy to do. Like I said, the filter cost me $13 on Amazon. You get this done at a dealership or by a mechanic, they're going to charge you like 50 bucks to do a simple job. So hopefully I can save you some money. Alright guys, until the next video, like, share, and subscribe.